Hello, welcome to this Technic-Force tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss the Reports screen in VideoSeeder. VideoSeeder keeps a detailed Reports tab on all of your activities. To access it, just click on the report in the left sidebar, or on the dashboard under Menu Options, you can select Report. This opens the Actions report in VideoSeeder. And by scrolling down, you can see all of the various promotions and video uploads that you've conducted, along with the accounts that were accessed, the video title, campaign name, date, time, status, remarks, and a redirect icon to take you directly to the video on your web browser. The Reports tab allows you to track jobs in the queue, jobs in progress, successful uploads and promotions, and any errors. This can be especially handy in the case of errors because the remark will tell you what the error was. This gives you the opportunity to fix the error, and then you can repost your content. If your Reports tab starts getting too cluttered, you can just click the Clear All button to erase all of your reports. It's a really handy tool that makes managing your video uploads and promotions that much easier, especially when you start getting into very large numbers. I hope you find this useful. Thanks very much for watching.